Hello everybody, myself Prabhu Ram Chandran. I'm heading the marketing department of Simta Astrix, uPVC profile company. So as on today's date, we are operating our sales team with 430 plus fabricators across India, and we stand the number one in adding up the fabricators. 1100 tons of profiles is converted into windows and doors every month from our factory through our beloved fabricators. I would like to extend my special thanks to all my fabricators who are supporting me in my sales. Our strategy to improve the marketing is by adding new warehouses across all major cities pan India, and that will happen very soon. And for target for 2023 would be selling 2,500 tons of uPVC profiles every month. And I'm sure all our team members and our fabricators will be supporting us to achieve it at the earliest possible. Exports to Australia and African countries in the near future, and that's going to be in the next year, will show our global presence very soon. I wish my team also to join hands with me along with our fabricators to do it as soon as possible. Thank you.